Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Jake, and this is Devlog with Jake. So in today's video, I want to go over the progress I've made in the inventory system. In my previous videos, I've shared the very rudimentary inventory I implemented, and it's come a long way since. As you can see, I've decided to go with a one large inventory system that has tabs on the left-hand side to allow the player to access all of the relevant information during gameplay in one space. The tabs that I think I'm going to have right now are Items, which will be your General Inventory Items tab, Raw Resources, Quest Log, Build Log, Collectibles, and Stats. So if you saw my earlier devlogs, you'll know that this one large inventory system is a new direction from where I started, which was creating slide out UI for a particular thing like raw resources or inventory items. I think this one large inventory system will be easier for the player to access all the relevant information in one place, and less buttons to remember to open them up, and less of the screen realty that they're going to take up because it'll be hidden most of the time. For those of you unfamiliar with the game, there is a recycling component to the game. There will be quests provided to the player, and when these quests are fulfilled, you will get rewards that are used in the next phase of the game, which is building and launching rockets. This is what the recycling component looks like so far. You have your character, and you move about, and you pick up various items to get the resources you need or to fulfill your quests, and then these items will be converted into raw resources, and then in the building stage you'll build your rockets, and in the launch stage you'll get to enjoy launching your rockets.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
While doing all this work, I had to refactor my code a bit because the approach I started going down with quest generation was going to be very manual, and I realized that creating enough content for these quests and hand rolling them was going to be a real headache to maintain, especially later when I'm balancing the game. I would have to change all these quests and all their values by hand, so I decided to take a step back and figure out a way that I could have the game generate progressively harder or more involved quests for me, and that way I can come back and tweak it later. And so in doing so, I encountered a lot of errors, and it took a while, but I actually got it in a pretty good state where it will generate quests for me based on some parameters I feed it. So really happy about that. I think I'll take a break from the UI and inventory system at this point and work on sound effects. This will make playing the game and testing it a little more enjoyable, and will also give the game some more feel and allow you that watch this devlog to experience what I'm going for through the sound aspect when I share clips as well. So that's what I'm looking forward to sharing with you in the next video.